we got to get loaded up and out the door. Oh my God, I got to move all these cars. All right, so we got to get all these stuff loaded up. It's a lot of stuff. Huh? Yeah, we're loading up right now. Trying to think in the process if I'm forgetting anything before we leave the crib. Because I would hate to get there and next thing you know I forgot something. Ha! But I think we're good. I should have been here like this morning, but
It's alright, I saw the email. It worked out right. Another car that we were kind of wrapping up.
It's cool. I just want to show good faith and throw you a T.
Did you use your channel?
Yeah.
I dig it. I like the little logo.
Yeah, definitely.
Sweet. It looks like I'm on camera right now too. So.
Yeah, but you guys got great stuff going on. These people want to know.
We got great footage of us stuffing our faces.
Oh yeah, no doubt. You guys are eating healthy. That stuff. Not Five Guys. What are you riding? The Caddy and the Infinity, right?
The Infinity's not mine yet, but as for right now, twin turbo, 460 rear wheel horsepower.
Golly.
It screams.
Yeah.
I gave the business to a Porsche on the highway like midnight last night.
I was thinking about giving the business to you up there. I was like, nah, dude. I just seen the back of it. I was like, hell nah.
It's quick.
All right. So I really didn't.
Fit everything in.
I really didn't even want to put stuff on the seat because I just got these seats put on.
They can handle it.
But so you got all the AEMs.
Yeah.
So just be careful. These are, it's like $3,000 right here, dude.
We'll be pulling this in at night too.
Okay.
You know, our cars that are being worked on that are in driving condition, we pull them in every night.
You know the tank is in the trunk. This is all the components with the purge and the whole bit.
Sweet.
So pop that right back in there. That's the hoses for the thing. Got the full blown.
Oh baby.
And then gaskets for the header. And then we got the 74 millimeter.
Cool.
I know you guys would take care of it.
Oh yeah. We treat every car as if it's our own.
Yeah, man.
That's one of my favorite things like that. Like as soon as I started working here, like when the techs, and they come back and they hand me a folder like with a car that's got problems on it, and they say, if it was my car, I'd do it like this. And it's like,
oh hell yeah, dude.
That makes me happy.
And to see a full lot like this is for a reason, right?
Yeah, a lot of these are going to be getting some really cool motors put into them, or they're here for, you know, people bring us their cars when like they can't figure out what the hell's wrong with it. And it's like, we're really good at that. So like, you know, this car, it was brought to us, you know, somebody put a turbo kit on it, and it's like, all right, can't get it to run right. It's, you know, it's running like a naturally aspirated car, so, you know, we're going to figure that out. Let's see, needs a motor, needs a motor, needs a motor, might need a motor, getting a motor, getting a motor, getting a motor, getting a motor. You know, a lot of stuff.
Yeah, dude. But I'm glad to throw you guys off, though. But I know you guys can handle it. Definitely.
All right, man.
All right, Dan.
So you know what? Do you write your Instagram like on the dyno sheet?
My Instagram is not linked to it. It's my YouTube. So I'm gonna text you my YouTube.
Yeah.
And then
email it to me.
I'll email you
and stuff like that.
Yep,
Then
definitely.
I can send you pictures and stuff as we.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
All right, man.
All right, bro. Take it easy. And you guys know that the S2k is in the shop getting work done, and we're gonna be doing some vlogging there. But I have a big surprise for you guys. We're picking up another car in the meantime. I had set up to go pick it up around this afternoon, so you guys are gonna take a ride with me. The only thing is we gotta go to New York to pick it up. So I have the transport ready, I have the U-Haul ready, and we're gonna be heading up there a little later to go pick this up. This is not a spontaneous move. I've been kind of doing my research. If you didn't see in my previous vlog before, I had hinted that we will have another car for a different thing that we're going to. Think of what car I can be used to use as a drift car. So we'll be picking that up. You guys are going to be taking the ride with me. We have more S2K content rolling in. We're going to be at the shop checking these guys out, doing their work. I hope you guys like the videos that I put up where we dropped off the S2K. But yeah, so get ready for the ride, guys. We're going to go see what kind of car we picking up today, and I hope you guys like this new move. I'm running out of space. So, all right, gang, so we are about to be out the door. I'm kind of just gathering up my stuff so we can go. I have to go to U-Haul to pick up the flatbed in the truck. So with that said, we will vlog more a little bit on the way over there until we get up there. It's gonna be a little bit of a drive for me, about an hour and a half. Bruh. Catch you guys on the ride out there. I just gotta go pick up the truck and we'll handle that. If you guys haven't already, copy your Star Apparel merch. The link below, starapparel.online. Everybody who's, purchased from me, my apparel is high quality. So, just hit the link below if you guys are interested. Check out all my stuff that I got. We update weekly. It's going to be tons of designs out there. Support the life, support the culture. We're all about that tuner life, so let's keep it rolling. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the way up there. Peace. Follow me like hands for the fun. Y'all follow me like hands for the fun. Real D37. Damn, girl. Y'all see that? All right, gang. It's the next day. I was exhausted yesterday. It was just like a whole road trip in its own. We got the car home. I had to take it off the auto transport early this morning because I just didn't want to do it last night, so I just kind of left it up. This is the car, the 350Z. I have to clean it all up. The kid had it a little dusty and stuff, but the thing has a lot of power. It's a great, it's a great platform for me to go. You guys got to understand, my first love is the S2000. This is a community I built off with, and I will always have love for my S2000. This right here is just something that I want to do as a sport for me to compete in that we have locally going on, which is a drift competition. We have time attacks and stuff like that. So I want to be in the drift category. I want to learn how to drift. I want to, learn out that new niche. But my heart always stays with my Honda S2000. I even love that thing more than my A-Spec. So if you love me, you see why the reason I vlogged my S2000 so much is just I just have an undying love for her and all the stuff that I'm doing with her right now. I can't wait to get her back so we can jump back in that, so we can start ripping. So let me go down the checklist of what the 350Z, all the mods it has and stuff like that, just so you guys can get an update of what's done to it. So as far as engine mods, and like I said, the engine just needs to get cleaned up and everything like that. I don't see no leaks or anything like that. It's just really dusty. The kid had it in his driveway. I wish he had it in his garage. A little bit of nicks and stuff, but nothing major. Just stuff that I got to touch up and stuff like that. No major dents, nothing. All right, so engine mods we have is AFV power intake, which is right there. The Kinetics intake manifold, which you guys see right there as well too. Megan Racing headers, Kinetics high flow cat, tunable medallion catback exhaust, and if you look right here, there's a pulley kit right down in here. That's the agency power light weight pulley kit, and it also comes OS Geekin clutch. So that whole clutch pressure plate, he had told me he had changed all that in the flywheel. The suspension, it's laying on, and he didn't lower it. He had it on the max height, which is up more. So I'm going to be dropping it down. He has them on K-Sport coilovers with energy suspension. I checked the look down there, and like I told you guys, from the bushings to everything that he swapped all over. Energy suspension, poly bushings all around, Eibach sway bars, white line end links, TN tie rods, Kinetics front camber arms, Megan Racing rear camber and toe arms, and eccentric bolt kit. You know, this car, for what I paid for, dude, like I said, I feel like it was an early bird there. Right now, I'm just working off taking all these decal badge or sticker badges. I'm not a big sticker fan on my cars, so we're gonna be, scratching all of those off of so we can keep a clean look. It did come with MB battles, which was great. It's a 6-speed. It came with the Pioneer dash, but it's all, like I said, it's a great platform for me to build off of for what I want to do with it. We will get the diff welded and all that stuff before we start. And you guys see the full carbon fiber kit, which was another, I don't even think they make this kit for this car anymore, but that was a steal in itself, because this is about, I think about a 15 or $1,500, $1,400 kit in itself. So, that's a win-win right there. So the plans for this car, like I said, is I'm going to be lowering it more, but before that, we're going to clean everything up, get the motor cleaned up, get the fluids cleaned, get the plugs, check all the coils, clean everything up in the engine bay, and then get down on the bottom before I lower it down more. And just check to make sure everything is fine with the, drive shaft and everything like that. The diff looks intact. It doesn't look like there's any leaking coming from it. Interior, we just got to clean up, vacuum a little bit. But check me out. Check out all the work that I do. And updates come weekly on different designs. I think there's a new one that I popped up there, which is a GTR. And I've been getting a lot of positives on that. And people are loving it. So just take in consideration, you can buy shirts anywhere, but I put effort and great quality into everything that I do. So when you get apparel from me, you're getting something that I know that I will put out there that you will love. I get a lot of feedback from people that I send orders to, and all I'm getting are thank yous. It looks great. I will order it from you again. So thank you guys for all the support, and stay positive, stay humble. And till the next video, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little journey that we took. It was a little random to you guys, but not to me. I just wanted to surprise you guys. With that said, guys, till the next one. Peace.